Welcome to this tutorial on justifications and excuses, which comprise two types of defenses to criminal liability. A justification is so called because it applies to conduct that is deemed to be justified and therefore socially acceptable, even desirable. When we excuse conduct, on the other hand, it's not because the behavior is acceptable, but rather because punishment isn't merited under the defendant's particular circumstances. It's sometimes said that justifications are objective, because they would apply to anyone acting in the same way, whereas excuses are deemed to be personal in that they only apply to the particular defendant. You might be wondering why these distinctions even matter since the outcome, which is a reprieve from liability, is the same for both. Well, it matters because there are differences in how these defenses are treated under the law. A big one is burden of proof. Although the law is not conclusive, it tends toward the direction that justifications must be disproved by the government, whereas excuses must be proved by the defendant. Second, it is generally easier for legislatures to do away with or limit excuses as opposed to justifications. And third, when conduct is justified, third parties can assist that conduct without liability. When conduct is excused, only the defendant gets the benefit of the excuse, meaning that a third party who helps the defendant may be liable. All in all, as a defendant, you'd rather have a justification than an excuse.